Data is wealth. We have huge amount of historical data already available, and every day 400 million terabyte of such data is being generated. AI and ML based analytics on this data is changing the way we see our world. Here if you see telecom regulation, deregulation has come, digital currency has come. That also I am very happy. I am fortunate. Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi asked me to give a report on digital currency. Now in the world, highest circulations on digital currency is in India. We are very proud. We are having Aadhaar authentication. That is one advantage. We are having GST. Even Narendra Modi ji has promoted JAM, Jandan, Aadhaar, Mobile, Singh. This is another biggest advantage we are having. Now Ayushman Bharat, Araha for education portal, even for certificates, lockers, all these things are coming. Here I wanted to tell all of you, in future data is wealth. How much money you are having is not the question. How much data you are having, that will be biggest wealth for an individual, for a company or for the country. If you are having data, you can go through artificial intelligence and also machine learning for proper outcomes. That will be the game changer in future.